or hide a chart legend, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to move the chart legend to the top of the chart shown on the screen. I first click the chart. Notice that when the chart is clicked, a new set of tabs named Chart Tools is displayed. The new tabs are Design and Format. Second, I select the tab Design. Third, I click on Add Chart Element. Fourth, I click Legend. Finally, I select Top. As a result, the chart legend was moved to the top of the chart. To hide the legend, repeat steps 4 and 5. So, I click Legend. Then I select the option None. As you can see, the legend is now hidden.